Hello Year 3, Mrs. Smale here. I hope you're all well and had a lovely weekend. This is Monday's maths lesson, lesson 4 on length. Okay, let's get started. Here is our in focus. We have Ravi here in his football kit on his football pitch. And we are told Ravi won a race. He ran 1,500 meters. What was the distance Ravi ran in kilometers and meters? Okay, so pause here and have a go at working it out, or keep listening and we can go through it together. So if I get my pen, I'm going to go for green this time to match the pitch. What we want to do is convert 1,500 meters into kilometers and meters. That's what we're learning today. So if I've got 1,500, here it is written out, I can easily see here's my ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Again, bear with the mouse writing, you can hear it clicking away. If I wanted to work out how many kilometers there are here, well, what I need to do is work out how many thousands are in this number. And we can do that with a part-whole model. So if I wanted to take out how many thousands there are, well, there's 1,000, of course. Here it is. There's my 1,000. What else is left in this number? If I've got my 1,000, of course, that's right, 500. So I can partition my 500 over here. Now, this is the same number. I've just taken it apart, partitioned it into 1,000 and 100. But now I need to use what I learnt previously last week, because I already know 1,000 meters is equal to, you've got it, 1 kilometer. So I already know I've got 1 kilometer here. And of course, my remainder, my leftover meters, I've got 500. So I can write out what the distance Ravi ran in kilometers and meters as 1 kilometer and 500 meters. Now you can see that here, using the diamond pattern, 1,500 meters. If we partition our 1,000 to this side, our 1,000 is equal to 1 kilometer. Our 500 remains, and we can put them together to show 1 kilometer and 500 meters. Now then, for the guided practice, you're going to have a little go at this yourself. So here are some distances. Let's look at A together. 2,350. Here they are. I'm going to mark out my columns just so it's easier for me to see where each value lies. So I need to work out how many kilometers and how many meters are in this number. Let's partition it then. 2,350. I'm going to mark on my ones, tens, hundreds and thousands as carefully as I can. Bear with me. Now then, how many meters were there in a kilometre? That's right, 1,000. So I'm going to look at this thousands column and I am going to partition my thousands. I'm going to move that slightly because I've accidentally put it with the hundreds. Sorry, let me try that again. I'm going to take out my thousands and I'm going to write them here. There are 2 of them, 2,000. This is equal to how many kilometres? That's right, 2 kilometres. So I already know the first part, there are 2 kilometres in this number, 2,000. Now to look at the remaining part, we can see there are 350 metres. Now my 3 doesn't fit into my thousands, it's only 300, the same with my 5 tens. So make sure you're looking really carefully at the difference between where your hundreds and where your thousands are. I should have got my 2,000, my 2 kilometres, kilo is 1,000 kilometres, and my 350. That's where the number separates. Let's put the answer in. And now you guys can have a go at B and C. How many thousands, how many kilometres are in these numbers? Have a go at writing how many kilometres and how many metres you have. Click onto the next page if you want to see the answers. Okay, so hopefully you've got them all right. We can tick the first one because we've done it together. Either of these ones that you've done, feel free to give them a tick as well. Now, here are the sheets that you're going to need for today's learning. Pause here if you need to make a note of anything if you can't get access to the worksheets. So question 1, Lulu's going for a jog. You need to work out the distance around the running track. Question 2, pause here so that you can read that one and go through it. And question 3 here. I'll show you the top and I'll scroll down so that you can see underneath as well. Okay, now I'll do the same with the answers. 1, for some reason it's put them over here, but it's 1 kilometre 200 in that box. There's the answers to number 2, 3, and there's 4. Give them a tick. Hopefully you managed to get on well with those today. I'm sure you did. And for your extension or extra work today, can you have a look up? Can you research some distances around where you live? See if you can record them. Can you put them as kilometres and metres? How far is it from your house to Woodlands Park or to Ivybridge or to Plymouth? See if you can work out what other distances close to where you live you can research, and see if you can write them down in kilometres and metres and in metres. Thank you very much, guys, for all of your hard work. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now.